know some of the doctors like to put their phone on too. But we don't have to. That's fine. Hello. Hi, hello. Happy Tuesday.
Hello.
How's everyone doing? Let's give a few seconds for more people to join. Hello. We are with the beautiful Miss Dr. Porter. Dr. Porter. Hello. Let's give some time. How are you guys doing today? Welcome. We are here at Icon Cosmetic Center. We are with Dr. Porter. She's going to be answering your questions. Guys, if you have any questions for her, go ahead and ask them here in the comment section. She will be so happy to answer all of your questions and address your concerns. All right, hello. Thank you guys for liking. All right, there's not a lot of people. Let's wait a little bit longer. Sometimes TikTok takes a little bit longer to reach people. Hello. Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy Tuesday. All right, here we go. Okay, so we are here with Dr. Porter in Icon Cosmetic Center. She's going to be answering some questions for us. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and send them here in the comment section, okay? Do not be shy. All right, are we ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right. How are you doing today, first of all?
How are you?
Good. Thank you so much for asking. What have you been doing today? What surgeries?
Liposuction and BBLs.
Awesome. Do you have any certain favorite type of procedure?
I like tummy tucks just because the patients are usually happy too. A lot of them.
Very cool. Okay. All right. Let's get started with the questions. Like I said, if you guys have any questions in TikTok, go ahead and comment in the section right here. Okay. All right. So let's start. I hear the massages are not too fun. Is this something that is needed for my recovery?
Yeah, the massages are not too fun, but what they do is somebody's keeping an eye on how much fluid is building up, and just extra pair of eyes on you. It gets the fluid out, it gets the lymphatics working. Are they absolutely necessary? You could get surgery without them, but I prefer that my patients get them.
Awesome. How many massages should you get after a procedure?
I think 6 to 8 is good.
Awesome. Perfect. Okay. So, Dr. Porter, I've been following you for a while and I want to book with you, but I'm wondering if my anxiety may get in the way. Do you deal with patients with this kind of issue?
Yeah, I think a lot of people have anxiety. That's okay. We're here to help you, support you during this time. There's always a call center too. I call my patients the night of surgery as well and follow up with you guys. And then again, the massages keep people coming back, and it keeps you coming back to the office. So people are always laying eyes on you while you're here in town. I also like my patients to stay a little bit longer maybe than some other people would, but that's just so we make sure nothing's wrong before you leave.
Okay, so if someone wants to travel to see you, how long do you personally recommend they stay after?
It depends on the procedure, but a good example would be an abdominoplasty because you have a lot of tape, the incisions are pretty big, and the drains stay in for 10 days. And I don't want you taking the risk that you leave and nobody wants to take the drain out. You're stuck taking the drain out by yourself. It's just much better if you're here.
Okay, very good. Speaking of going on that route, I have one here that says, Dr. Porter, I love your lipo results, so I want to travel to see you, but should I have someone take care of me?
Yeah, you definitely need someone, especially the night of surgery. Somebody has to stay with you, just because lipo really takes it out of you. The fluid that we inject and then take out, you are dizzy, you're not going to be have your normal strength. You're going to definitely need someone to help you out for a few days.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, if you guys are joining, hello. Hi, Hirsch says, hey ladies. Hello. How are you doing, Hirsch? Hello. If you guys have any questions for Dr. Porter, go ahead and ask them. I see here that it says that TikTok is filtering some of your questions. So if you want to word it a little bit differently so we don't miss your questions, go ahead and do that, just because TikTok doesn't like us too much. Sylvia says hello. 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 All right, so let's continue. I have low iron levels. Will this affect my procedure?
So that's a loaded question. We go by the hemoglobin results. You have to remember that cosmetic surgery is something that's totally elective. You decided that you want it. I'm willing to help you get there, but we don't want to put you at any risk for any reason. So I ask that patients have a minimum of 10 for hemoglobin, or hematocrit around like 30, but the higher the better. I mean, we like when patients aren't anemic. Alternatively, during your consultation, if you do have lower iron or something, you can start taking an iron tablet, but that takes a while to actually see results.
Okay, awesome. Very good. Hirsch here is asking, do you do the ultrasound on lipo too?
With liposuction, no, just for the fat injections.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Hirsch, if you want to go ahead and book your free consultation, guys, free consultation here with Dr. Porter, go ahead and send us your full name and number in the DMs here, the little arrow in the corner. Go ahead and, here, let me send here. Right there. All right, go ahead and send us your information. Real quick, Dr. Porter, where are you located? Which location?
I'm at Icon Cosmetic in Doral.
Awesome, Doral location. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and book with her. Okay, I'm wondering about the recovery. How long after my BBL do I need the pillow?
I ask patients a minimum of 4 weeks that you're not sitting on your behind. I think that's realistic. 6 weeks would be good too. But use the pillow at least for 4 to 6 weeks.
Awesome. Very good. Thank you. I like Rosie's comment here. Let's read it. She says, hello, Dr. P. Just want to tell you I love how soft-spoken you are. Very humble, very demure.
Yeah, I'm not a loud person.
I love that. Very good. Thank you, Rosie, for joining. That's awesome. Okay, so Dr. Porter, I have stubborn fat around my belly and I am frustrated with it. Do you recommend any certain procedure?
It depends on the patient, and it depends on what you're defining as stubborn. A lot of people have a rounder midsection because there's two different types of fat. There's fat that's in the sub-Q and there's fat that's in the abdomen. Inside the abdomen, we can't take that out for you. It's only diet and exercise. So if you're looking in the mirror, a good way to tell for like tummy tucks or lipo is if you stand up straight and you suck in, and like when you suck in, that's as flat as you'll be with a tummy tuck or lipo. At the tummy tuck you need if you have diastasis, like muscle separation or something. But yeah, a lot of people think that that's stubborn fat, and that can only go away with diet and exercise.
Wow, interesting. I had no idea. There you go. Very good. Awesome. Sylvia here is asking, hello, Sylvia. I just have a little pouch, but a lot of cellulite. Okay, so what is good for that, she's asking?
For like stubborn fat, like a pooch in the abdomen, again, it depends on the patient. Sometimes people think that they have a pooch from fat, but it's diastasis after you've had kids. A lot of times it's common like below the belly button, you see it a lot more, and that is with the tummy tuck, like the muscle plication. For cellulite, unfortunately, there are some things that are on the market, but there's nothing really great for cellulite.
Unfortunately. Yeah. Okay, awesome. So very good. Thank you, guys. If you have any more questions, go ahead and ask us. All right, so Dr. Porter, I have diabetes type 2. Is this a problem?
So your diabetes, if you come see me, every surgeon has different, restrictions, whatever. But I ask that your A1C is 7 or below, and then it's well controlled, and then you need to see your medical doctor or whoever is prescribing you your diabetic medication before you come. And the reason is I'm not trying to be a pain or anything. It's just that uncontrolled diabetes really, or diabetes in general, affects healing. So and blood supply to incisions that we really need, again, for totally elective procedures.
Okay, very good. Thank you, thank you. Sylvia says thank you, doctor. All right, awesome. Okay, very good. I want a mommy makeover, but I'm not sure what it includes.
So like the standard mommy makeover is a breast lift and a tummy tuck. Usually with tummy tucks, unless you're a very thin patient with just excess skin or diastasis, then we do some liposuction, but that's the standard mommy makeover.
Okay, can you get anything else done in this area if you want to go that route?
For a mommy makeover, you can always add additional things. It just depends on the patient, your age and stuff. I don't like to do huge procedures and then send you on your way. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Skincare wellness, go ahead and send me your full name and number here in the DMs, please, and then we will get a coordinator to contact you. All right. I'm overweight. I know you talked a little bit about this. Will my BMI affect me from getting a lipo 360?
Again, depends on the patient. A BMI, like in Florida, like the safety is 40 to do in an office-based setting. And it's more so for going under general anesthesia, the cardiac and pulmonary risk than anything. So yeah, I would need to see that, but BMI isn't really a good indicator of overweight too, because it doesn't really take into account muscle mass. So a lot of times, like shorter patients will look a lot heavier than some of the taller patients with higher BMIs.
Awesome. So how do you know? Go ahead and book that free consultation with Dr. Porter. Do you do virtual consultations?
Yes.
Awesome. So if you're not in Miami, that is totally fine. You can book a virtual consultation and it's completely free with Dr. Porter. All right. Perfect. Okay, so how do I know what the right procedure for me is?
So if you look in the mirror and there's something that bothers you every day for a long time, then that's probably what you need to do. If you come to me and say, what do I need done? That's a loaded question. So I probably wouldn't tell you. It has to be something that's bothering you.
I never thought of it that way. Very good. Nice. Okay, awesome. We already talked about that. Dr. Porter, I'm 50, but I want a BBL. Is this something that can be done?
Yeah.
Perfect. What is your age limits? Do you have any? What are your thoughts on that?
No, I go more by functional, and then I would have to see, 50 is not a problem, but like the quality of skin and stuff, like as you get into the older ages, and then, your comorbidities, if you have a bunch of medical problems or something, then yeah, it's not worth the risk. But if you're a healthy person, then there's no reason not to.
Right, so just clean bill of health.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
An active person.
Very good, very good. Yes. Perfect. Okay, should I take any supplements to get ready for my procedure?
No, you don't need to. Just protein. Protein is the best thing to help with healing, wound healing, the pulling in the extra fluid afterwards. So just start, higher protein diet.
Awesome. Is there anything that should be avoided before the procedure? Any medication?
Yeah, so birth control, if you take hormonal birth control, that has to be stopped a month before, just because it increases the risk of blood clots, which is a risk with any surgery, but we're trying to eliminate all risks. And then if you take like Advil, any NSAIDs, you can look on the bottle, like Aleve is the same type of medication that Advil is. That has to be stopped within like 7 days, because that also thins your blood a little bit. Aspirin, any antiplatelet. Obviously we would have to see you first, but if you're just taking aspirin for like pain or something like that, you can't take it for 7 days prior. And then supplements, because they're not regulated by the FDA, they kind of have a mixed risk profile, so we ask that you stop those too.
Awesome, very good. I was going to ask you something I forgot. Okay, awesome. When can I go back to the gym?
You can start walking the day of surgery. Very important to continue being mobile and stuff. As far as like getting on a treadmill and walking or something, I would give yourself a few days. But walking, very important in terms of like jogging, running, lifting weights. It depends on your surgery. If it's just plain old liposuction, I would give yourself about 3 weeks because you're just not going to feel great, and then ease back into it. But if you have like major incisions or something, unfortunately you have to wait like 4 to 6 weeks to really start running or lifting heavy because of the incisions.
Perfect. I remembered my question. So you talked a little bit about birth control. I actually got this question once. Should I take my IUD out if it's hormonal?
No, but you can ask your OB-GYN their opinion on that too.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, do I have to remove my piercings for my procedure?
Yes. Yeah, just because we use electrocautery in the OR, and it can cause a burn mark in that area.
Perfect. Okay, I hear I have to stop smoking for my procedure, but how soon after can I start again?
Never. At least 6 weeks after. But if you've already stopped for 6 weeks, why are you going to start again?
That's a very good question. Okay, awesome. Why should you abstain from smoking?
So smoking impairs it's like the nicotine, but it impairs your blood vessels. Again, totally elective surgery. So a general surgeon who's doing like a gallbladder that needs to come out or something, they probably are going to operate on the smoker. They have to. But these are totally elective. We want you to have the best results, and we don't want you to get complications, and you're at a high risk of wound breakdown and tissue loss if you're smoking.
Thank you for clearing that up. All right, guys, go ahead and send us your full name and number here in this bar for your free consultation with Dr. Porter. Guys, if you have any more questions to ask her, go ahead and send them here in the comments section. All right, let's continue. We're almost done. Do I really need to use my compression garment 24/7?
For the first month, yes, because it stops it helps with the fluid buildup, and it's going to make you feel more comfortable. A lot of people say that they continue wearing it because it makes them feel more comfortable. But if you're noticing that you're getting like redness or like tissue breakdown or something because the garment is too tight, then buy a bigger size, stop wearing it for a little bit. It's not worth the thing. And then actually another colleague of mine had come across this, that after an abdominoplasty, someone was wearing like a foam board and it was too tight. You don't need that after a tummy tuck. The boards, they can cause problems with the incisions.
Wow,
So,
okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for letting us know. What type of, I know you said this earlier, but what type of anesthesia do you use?
General. There are some things that I would do under like small areas of liposuction and stuff like that.
Oh, okay, awesome. Very good, awesome. So, I hear you have a new special for now, and it's about the gynecomastia. Who is a good candidate for this one?
For gynecomastia, so this is male breast hypertrophy. It's just for men who notice that, for lack of better words, that they have man boobs. Again, I would have to see you, but we do like liposuction of the chest first, and then we just make a small incision on the bottom of your nipple from the 3 o'clock to the 9 o'clock, and we circumferentially take out the gland. If you do have a lot of skin laxity, then it's a little bit more of an extensive procedure with scars. Not too many guys want to do that. But just to remove the actual gland itself, a lot of people are happy with that.
Awesome. So just to let you guys know, if you're interested in this procedure, it comes with a lipo 360 as well for this month. I don't know how long it's going to be here for, and it starts at $5,375. So I don't want to say too much prices because I know TikTok doesn't like me to, but that's what it is. All right, perfect. When can I go back to work after my BBL procedure?
That's up to you, and it depends what you do. Some people work from home, they go to work like a day or two later. That's fine. Again, we want you out and active within like 24 to 48 hours, just walking and stuff like that. So if you're comfortable, but again, you have to keep in mind that you can't sit on your butt. You have to bring the BBL pillow, get a walking desk, I don't know. But yeah, so up to you.
Up to you. Awesome. Very good. Okay. Do I have to get J plasma with my lipo procedure, and what exactly is that?
No, some people don't need it. If you're like in your early 20s or something, you probably don't need J plasma because your skin is pretty good quality. So J plasma is like it's a helium-based laser. It goes under the skin and causes contraction. Well, helps with skin contraction. It gives you about like 60% of tightening that you wouldn't have had with just liposuction. With liposuction, there's no guarantee that your skin is going to snap back, and that's a very common misconception, is that you have lipo. Again, people who are actually candidates for a tummy tuck, anybody that has like the sad belly button or like a little bit of umbilical hooding, that you actually have extra skin and you probably need a little bit of a skin excision or a tummy tuck, but J plasma can give you about like 60% of the contraction. I never want to force you into something that you weren't expecting, or nor would I force you into it, but you know, a tummy tuck is a much longer recovery and stuff, so a lot of times I'll say we can do the liposuction or liposuction with J plasma and see how the skin reacts. You can always come back for a skin excision.
Okay, very good, very good.
And some people are just happy with the extra weight being gone, so.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. Okay, awesome. Rosie here is asking, how soon after a mommy makeover can I get a BBL?
We always ask, so it depends on if you have liposuction done and you have to give your incisions time to heal, so I would say give yourself at a minimum of 6 months. The better way to actually do that might be to get a BBL first and then a mommy makeover, because with the BBL we have to take all of your extra fat and graft it, so then you would have time for your skin to see how lax it is or whatever, and then you could come back for the tummy tuck and the breast lift or augmentation.
Awesome. Okay, so awesome, Rosie. So if you want to go ahead and book your consultation with Dr. Porter, go ahead and send us your full name and number here in the corner. Perfect. Okay, so last question, and then I know Dr. Porter is busy, so we won't keep her here for long, but where can I see your work?
I think on the website, and then on Instagram, and then if you ever have questions when you come in person for pre-op or for a consult, I can show you before and afters as well.
Awesome,
too.
awesome. And of course, if you guys want to see her work on IG, it is icon_cosmetic_center_Miami. That is all right. Perfect. So one last time, where are you located, Dr. Porter?
Icon Cosmetic, the Doral location.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much for joining
No
us
problem.
today.
Thank
You were
you.
great. Thank you so much. I will keep going here,
Okay.
but I will let you go. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thanks.
All right. Hello. How are you guys doing? So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Dr. Porter was great. She is amazing here answering your questions. All right, but now I am here. So if you guys didn't ask her your questions, go ahead and ask me. Go ahead and tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen and send this live to any of your friends and families, coworkers, whoever who may be thinking about getting a procedure done, who maybe they need something done, and then, or if they have any questions or concerns or anything like that, I am here to help and to guide you. So please go ahead and send them this live. Guys, like I said, or how Dr. Porter said, we are here in Icon Cosmetic Center. This particular, right now, here we are in Doral location. We have 2 locations as of right now, one in Doral here, and then we have one that's 10-15 minutes away from the airport, so super convenient if you're going to travel. That is called our Miami location, and then of course we are planning on opening another one up here in Hialeah. So that is in the works, so stay tuned for that. If you guys need any questions answered, I am here to help you. Y si tienen preguntas en español, yo sí hablo español, entonces me las pueden hacer. Hello, guys. Okay, so go ahead and tap the screen. We have amazing deals. Like she said, we have amazing deals. if you're interested, one second, let me mirror this. There you go. All right, so we have amazing deals like you see here, and these are only for like I don't know how long. Okay, these are brand new deals. I just got them today, like a few hours ago, and I don't know if these deals are going to be gone tomorrow. So I don't know if they're going to leave and not come back. So take advantage right now of this opportunity. You have amazing discounts, and of course, if you do not have everything to put down at once, that is totally fine. We have financing options available for you. We have options with Care Credit and Alphion Credit, which are financial, like banks. And then of course, we just want to make this as smooth as possible for you, as convenient. So all you need in order to apply for the financing is your social or an I-10, and then you don't even have to have good credit. If you want someone to apply for you, that is totally fine. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your husband, your boyfriend can apply for you. You can get the procedure that you need and then go from there. And then of course, just get your procedure, get that whatever you need done, and then pay monthly. So we just want this to be super convenient for you, super smooth. So we just want a super smooth process for you throughout the whole thing. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you for joining. If you guys want to know about a particular procedure, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to know a little bit about our prices, I know TikTok doesn't like me talking too much about our prices. I don't want to get restricted, but if you have anything in particular that you want to ask about, please let me know, and I will be here to help you and to guide you. So let's talk about this one right here. We have amazing deals so let's talk about these. So if you get any of these two procedures, we actually have 2 areas of this for free. 2 areas of this for free with any of these 2 procedures, which is awesome. It's amazing. But like I said, I don't know how long these deals are going to be here for. I don't know. They can be on tomorrow. Okay, so take advantage right now. Go ahead and send me your full name and number. Full name. And if you want to book with Dr. Porter, as you saw here, she's super great. If you want to book with her, go ahead and just let us know in the DMs. Or if you want to book your consultation with any other doctor, that is totally fine. Like I said, if you're here on this live with me, just tell them that I sent you, and then they'll get you that free consultation. They will get you that free consultation, and then you literally have nothing to lose. Like literally, that's amazing. You have nothing to lose. So take advantage right now. Take advantage right now. And then I was gonna say something, I forgot. So like for example, we have this one. We have this one starting at $3,250. $3,250, I believe, with Dr. Porter, actually. $3,250. So take advantage, guys. Like I said, we have amazing deals. We have amazing discounts and very competitive prices, and we have the best doctors. How do you choose your doctor? So as you saw, they're all amazing. They will be on here through most of them throughout our lives in the week. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because I do have the doctors on live with me every so often. Like you saw today, Dr. Porter was on. She was super amazing. Last week I had Dang and Gurani. So they're here throughout the week. But how do you choose your doctor? So I recommend you go to our IG page. Go to our IG page. I know it's not linked on the TikTok yet, but go ahead and take a look at our IG page, which is icon_cosmetic_center_Miami. That is our handle. If you need me to repeat that, I will. But that is our handle. So take a look at our IG there, and then you can take a look at all of our doctors and their results and their work. So they are all very amazing. They are all very good. They all have more than 15 years of experience, which is great. So don't worry, you will be in good hands. So if you are interested in seeing any of their work, go ahead and take a look at them there. Like I said, I cannot recommend one over the other because unfortunately fortunately, they're all that good. They're just very good. So I cannot, choose one. How do you choose? They're all that good. They're just very good. So I cannot, choose one. How do you choose? You based on what you're needing, based on what you like and what you need. Based on that, you choose your doctor, book your free consultation, and then go from there. All right, guys, so if you have any more questions, please let me know. Hello. I am here at Icon Cosmetic Center right now in the Doral location, but we do have 2 locations, a third one coming soon. So if you guys are interested in traveling, that is totally fine. We have patients coming in from all over. There's patients from New Jersey. I've talked to some from Washington, from Mississippi. So literally, from all over they're coming because our doctors are just that good, and they leave very, very happy. So like Dr. Porter was saying, of course it depends on the doctor. As she says, she likes you to stay a little bit longer, but typically we say if you're going to come to Miami to travel for your procedure, stay for at least 5 to 7 days after. Okay, not before. Yes, you can come before, explore Miami. Miami's beautiful. So come the day before for your pre-op appointment. You're going to get your instructions, last minute exams, all of that fun stuff the day of your procedure, and then stay 5 to 7 days at least after your procedure. I know Dr. Porter says she likes you to stay a little bit longer, so make sure you take that into account when you're traveling or when you're booking your flights or anything like that, or your travel plans. Okay, so of course, like I said, follow your doctor's instructions. Some people take a little bit longer to heal, some people heal a little bit faster, so it totally depends on you. It depends on your doctor, and just follow their instructions. If they need you to stay for a little bit longer, then go ahead and just keep that into consideration. All right, guys, hello. How are you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday. I hope you guys are doing great. If you guys have any questions, please do not be afraid to ask me here in the comment section. Dr. Porter was on a few minutes ago. I hope you guys saw that. I hope you guys asked her your questions. If not, then you can go ahead and ask me. I will try my best to answer your questions. But what is better than to have the doctor here and explain herself or himself, your questions and your procedure. So that's amazing. So just stay tuned for that, because like I said, our doctors are here throughout the week. So hopefully I'll have some more on this week. We will see. So guys, if you did not ask her your questions, go ahead and ask here in the comment section. Hablo español por si tienen dudas o preguntas en español. Tranquilos, pueden escribirme aquí en español. Por favor, si están interesados, envíenme su nombre completo y número telefónico. Y yo personalmente voy a ver que una coordinadora se comunique con ustedes para regalarles esa valoración. Entonces es una valoración completamente gratuita, entonces no se lo pueden perder. All right, guys, so let's talk about what you need. So Dr. Porter was talking a little bit about that you need high protein intake after your procedure, and then before your procedure as well. You need high protein intake, take care of your iron, your hemoglobin levels. She talked a little bit about that too. So make sure your diet is on point to get you ready for your procedure that you need. All right, so eat high protein foods, drink a lot of water, no smoking. We talked about that too. No smoking 1 month before at least, and then no alcohol either. So no nicotine, no vaping, none of that stuff. I'm sorry if you do. None of that stuff for at least a month, and then of course for at least a month afterwards. But Dr. Porter, she made a good point. She said if you stopped for your procedure, then why are you going to continue? So keep that in mind. But she was very good. So if you guys have any more questions, please let me know. Are these procedures, are the results permanent? Are they permanent? What do you guys think? So I'm sorry to break it to you, but it depends on you. Okay, so the results totally depend on you, on how well you follow the doctor's instructions. The doctor can do an amazing job, can leave you looking snatched like a doll, like a Barbie, whatever you want, or if you're a man, leave you looking amazing, because the doctors are all very good, very experienced. But if you do not take care of your results, if you do not follow the instructions, then your procedure can get affected. So I will let you guys know that. I personally know a few people, a few friends who, for example, one, she got the BBL, she got this done, and then she was like, oh my gosh, I look amazing, I don't have to do anything else. So she went out, splurged, ate everything, did not take care of her body at all, and then unfortunately she had to go back and get another procedure done. She had to get it redone, and that is not what we want, guys. We do not want that, because it is a long process. Okay, it is a process. You have to, get your consultations, your exams, your meeting up with the doctor. Of course, you have to pay the procedure itself. It's a lot. It is a lot. And why go through that again? So guys, make sure you take care of your results. Take care of your body. Eat healthy foods. Eat high protein. Drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Eat, just very, very nutrient dense food and very healthy food. Of course, stay active. Dr. Porter was saying you want to be walking and staying active like the first 24 or 48 hours. So you should be staying active, walking around and stuff. Of course, if you're going to hit the gym, you might need to wait maybe like 2 to 3 months, depending on your procedure. Of course, follow your doctor's instructions, depending on how well you heal up and all that stuff. So, but stay active for sure. Keep your body clean and healthy, and then that will help you enjoy your results longer. Of course, right after your procedure, you definitely want to be wearing your compression garments. Super important. Yes, 24/7. They can be uncomfortable, they can be not pretty, but trust me, it is worth it. Those compression garments are worth it. So if you're looking into getting a procedure, just know that you're going to have to be wearing a faja or a compression garment. Of course, you need your accessories, your foams, or your boards as well. I know Dr. Porter actually said that with this one, you don't need the boards, because they can be a little bit tight. But if any other procedure, just make sure you have all your accessories. For example, if you're getting this one, make sure you have your pillow as well. Super important, just have all your accessories. You're going to be wearing your compression garment 24/7. You're going to sleep in them. Only time you're going to take them off is for your shower or for your massages. And like Dr. Porter started off saying, yes, your massages are crucial. Very, very important, because they're going to help you drain. She said yes, she knows they're not the most fun thing in the world, but they are very necessary, and they will help you get the results that you want quicker. And of course, they will help you to obtain better results in the long run. So which is what we want, right? That is what we want. So guys, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask. I will be on here for a little bit longer. If you have any doubts or anything, please let me know. And then go ahead and tap the screen. Go ahead and send this to any of your friends, families, coworkers, whoever who may be needing a procedure, who may be needing anything done. We just want to make this super smooth and just a good experience for you. Okay, we want you to have the best experience possible here at Icon Cosmetic Center. So do not doubt. Go ahead and book that free consultation. How do you do that? Just send me a DM here in the corner. You see the little arrow, a DM here with your full name and number, and I will personally make sure that a coordinator contacts you so you get that free consultation. Guys, do not wait. If you tell them that I sent you, then you will get that free consultation, so you have nothing to lose. All you need is $250 down to book, okay? $250, which is literally nothing. Like, especially here in Miami, that is nothing. Maybe don't go shopping or don't go to Sephora that one day, because I know I went to Sephora yesterday and I spent a lot of money. So all you need is the $250, book your procedure, maybe, you know, stay at home once, and then get whatever you need done. Get that procedure that you need, okay? So super important, guys, that you book right now. Book right now, because I don't know how long these deals are going to be here for. I don't know if they're going to be gone tomorrow. They are brand new. Like, I got new deals today, like a few hours before this. So literally take advantage. I don't know how long these are going to be here. If you are interested in any of these 2 procedures, you get 2 free areas of this. Okay, 2 areas of this for free, which is amazing. So any of these 2 procedures, if you are interested in 2 areas for free, you have to go ahead and send me your full name and number right now. Send me your full name and number. All right, guys, let's talk a little bit about this one, because it is super, super popular. I know a lot of people love it. And I was actually surprised when I came to Miami. I'm like, oh my gosh, everyone has this done. But, you know, it looks natural. Most of the time you can't even tell. So if you're interested in this procedure, of course, it depends on what your goals are, what you need for your body. If you want it to look a little bit more extravagant, or if you want it to look a little bit more natural, that is totally up to you. That is up to you with how you want to go about this. Of course, just explain everything to your doctor. Oh my gosh, sorry. Explain everything to your doctor. I'm talking too much. And then go from there. So I know they will do an amazing job. I know a lot of people say, oh my gosh, I'm too thin. I can't get this because there's no fat to extract. But I will tell you, our doctors are amazing, and they will find, most of the time, they will find that fat. They will find that fat. They will extract that fat, giving you a procedure, okay? Giving you a nice round bottom, which is what you want, filling in those hip dips. So if you have hip dips, this may be a good procedure for you, because I know you can't get rid of them by going to the gym or anything. They're there to stay. So you can definitely fill in those hip dips with this procedure. If you guys are interested in this procedure, like I said, this is the price right now, which is amazing. So go ahead right now and send me your full name and number. Send me your full name and number for that free consultation, okay, with any of the doctors. How do you choose your doctors? How do you choose your doctors? Go ahead and take a look at our IG page. Our IG page is not linked on this TikTok yet. I'm working on that. But it is icon_cosmetic_center_Miami. That is our. If you need me to type it in the comment section, let me know and I will do that. But that is our IG. Go ahead and take a look at our results there. All of the doctor's results, their work. See which one best aligns to what you need, to what your body is like. Of course, have realistic expectations. No one is the same. No one's bodies is the same. So have realistic expectations, because your results may be a little bit different from another person's results, but of course they can guide you with that free consultation. They can take a look at you there and then see what's best for your body, what is needed, and then go from there. And then, like I said, our doctors are very, very good. They're very experienced. They have over 15 years of experience, which is amazing. Like you saw today, we do have female doctors. So we have Dr. Porter, who is joining us today. Dr. Porter, she was amazing. If you guys are interested in booking with her, go ahead and send us your full name and number. But if you guys are interested in any other doctor, that is totally fine as well. We have Dr. Porter, and we also have Dr. Gurani, who is another female surgeon, but she works down there in that area for us ladies. So if you guys are needing anything down there or anything like that, she is the way to go, okay? So if you guys are needing anything down there, Gurani, she's in the Miami location. So if you're going to travel, perfect, super convenient for you. But I will tell you guys that both our locations, as of right now, they're very close to each other. So do not worry, they'll both be good if you're looking to travel or anything like that. Do not worry about that. All right, so let's talk about what do you guys want to talk about? Let's talk about mommy makeovers. What is a mommy makeover? And I know Dr. Porter was talking a little bit about this. Mommy makeover is perfect if you are a mom. You don't have to be a mom, but it's perfect if you are a mom. Why? Because it targets two areas. So a mommy makeover is two procedures in one. It is something up here, typically a lift, but you can get a reduction. You can get this one. You can get this one as well if you're interested, of course, but typically it comes with a lift and this one. Okay, so this one here. Who is a good candidate for the mommy makeover? So of course moms, and if you have that extra skin here, of course, as you guys know, during pregnancy your skin stretches out, making, you know, with the belly, making room for the baby, and then of course when you have the baby, your skin does not go back to the way it used to. Unfortunately, it does not go back. So you can be a good candidate for the mommy makeover if you have these two areas that you are needing to get fixed. Okay, so like I said, with this one, of course, you get the muscle repair as well. So if you guys did not know, during pregnancies, your muscles expand, already giving you a wider torso. Of course, it makes room for the baby, but it definitely gives you a wider torso, which we do not want. Most of us do not want that anyway. So that it definitely fixes and constructs back to the muscles the way they used to be, and then that already gives you a narrower torso. And then of course they get rid of all of that extra skin that you have in this area. Okay, so all of this extra skin here, they take that away. They tighten you back together, giving you a nice, smooth, and flat tummy, which may even be better than what you looked like before. Okay, and of course this one comes with two areas of this. Okay, so this one comes with the two areas, of course, in that area, with two areas of this one, it comes with it. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, please let me know. But that was the mommy makeover, so good, convenient, if you are interested in that. But if you only, say you're a man who lost a lot of weight, you can also get this one done. Of course, just getting rid of that extra skin, because unfortunately I know when we lose a lot of weight, you know, same with the pregnancies, your skin does not go back the way it used to, unfortunately. So you may be a good candidate for that one. We talked a little bit about, what was it? The gynecomastia. We were talking a little bit about the gynecomastia with Dr. Porter. She says they're actually very popular, especially like with bodybuilders, which blew my mind. I never thought about that. But yes, they're super popular with bodybuilders. What is the gynecomastia? It is for males who have those extra tissue here in this area, so like man boobs, I guess you could say. So if you have this issue, sorry you guys, you saw everything, oh my gosh. So if you guys have this issue, we definitely can help you with that too. It's called gynecomastia. It is removing all of this tissue if you're a man. So it's for a male, it's a male procedure. Okay, so taking all of this away, and then we have a special, I will tell you, with Dr. Porter with this one included with the gynecomastia, this one plus that, which is $5,375, which is amazing. You literally are going to look great. Okay, so if you're a male, we got you covered. Do not worry, it's not only for females. So if you know anyone who may be interested in this procedure, that is totally fine. Just go ahead and, like I said, send us your full name and number here. We have amazing deals all around. If you're interested in getting more, knowing more about the prices and our deals, go ahead and send us your full name and number, and I will personally make sure that a coordinator contacts you. She can give you better ideas of what it is that it's going to cost you, because I know TikTok doesn't like me saying too much prices. So I'm gonna abstain from that for a little bit. But if you're interested, do not let that stop you. Go ahead and send us your full name and number. But like I said, we have amazing deals, very competitive prices. Our doctors are amazing. We're in Miami. Like, what more do you need? What more do you need? And like I said, guys, if you're thinking about getting either one of these procedures, that is totally fine. You can have 2 areas of this for free, which is great. 2 areas of this for free with either of these 2 procedures. So now's your chance. It's November. I don't even know what day it is. What day is it? Is it the 12th? The 12th of November? I don't know. But it's basically the middle already of November. Like, oh my gosh, that flew by. So December is going to be here in a blink of an eye, and then the new year is coming. 2025 is literally right around the corner. So why not start the new year off looking, feeling, and just being great? Okay, so start the new year off right with new you, new me, new year is what I like to say. So start the new year off right, get your whatever you need done, and then start the new year off right. For if you guys want to book and lock in these prices, all you have to do is put $250 deposit down. Like I said, that's not a lot, especially here in Miami. That is nothing. Maybe stop shopping for one day. Like, don't shop that one day that you really want to go shopping. Don't go shopping, and then book your consultation for free, and then put your procedure down. Okay, book it. And of course, that is, you don't have to book it right away. That will last you for 2 years. That will hold your place for 2 years. So if you're thinking about it, do it now, because these prices are amazing. Like I said, I don't know if they're going to be gone tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to leave, and then if they don't come back. So take advantage right now, book them, hold your spot, and then you have 2 years to do it. So do not worry. If that is something that you're worried about, you can get prepared. If you're going to travel, that is totally doable. We give you that time so you can prepare, but that will hold your spot for 2 full years. Okay, and if you can't pay everything all at once, do not worry. We have financing options available. As you know, all you need is your ITIN or your social. If you don't have social, your ITIN. And then even if you don't have good credit, anyone can apply for you. Your mom, your brother, your boyfriend, whoever can apply for you. You can book, get that procedure, get what you need done, and then go from there, and then just pay monthly. So we want to make this as smooth as possible for you and just super convenient. Hello, Diego. Hello, guys. If you are joining, hello. It is Tuesday here at Icon Cosmetic Center. How's everyone doing today? I know I will be on here for a little bit longer, just a few more minutes. Dr. Porter was on today. She was great, amazing, was explaining everything for you. She answered all of your questions. She was amazing. She's very, very good. She's super cute, guys. So if you're interested in booking with Dr. Porter, that is awesome. That is totally an option. Just go ahead and send us your full name and number. Full name and number here in the corner, the little arrow. If you see it, it's a DM. Okay, so send me your full name. Actually, one second. Let me pin this again right there. Okay, so full name and number right here. You have no excuse. We have amazing deals, discounts. Like I said, I don't know how long they're going to be here for. We're literally serving everything for you in a silver platter. We want to make this as smooth as possible. And everyone here at Icon is amazing. So from the front staff, the masseuses, the doctors, did I say nurses? Everyone is amazing. Everyone is amazing. We're here to hold your hand, to guide you, to make this as smooth as possible for you, and for you to have the best experience possible. Okay, and of course, here at Icon, your health and safety is the most important thing. So like Dr. Porter was saying this morning, this is something that you choose or elect to do. Of course, it definitely is needed in some cases. It will help you, your self-esteem, your confidence, all of that. But of course, it is something that you choose to do. And of course, your health and your safety is the most important thing. So make sure you have a good, clean bill of health. Here, that is the most important thing. If you have a doctor saying otherwise, they just want to do the procedure on you, go away and run away. Don't look back, because yes, your safety and your health is the most important thing. This is a cosmetic procedure. Of course, like I said, it definitely can, it's very life-changing. It's amazing. It will help you. And like, what is better than to invest in yourself? That is the best thing you can invest in, yourself, because how you feel, your self-esteem, all of that is going to affect literally every aspect of your life, not just yourself. It's going to affect your friends, it's going to affect your family, and it's going to affect even in your workplace. This is how you know, you're going to portray yourself. So literally, what is better than to invest in yourself? It is the most important thing you can do. All right, guys, so I will be here just for a few more minutes. I'll be on later today. Go ahead and make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, we have our doctors on throughout the week. Today, Dr. Porter was on. She was great. I hope you guys saw that. If you didn't, if you missed her, do not worry. We will have other doctors throughout the week, and then she will be back eventually. I don't want to bother her too much. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for the likes. Go ahead and tap the screen. So yes, I don't want to bother her too much, but all of our doctors will be on throughout the week, most of them anyway. So if you're interested, go ahead and just make sure you stay tuned for that, because they will be on. I am live personally every day, multiple times a day, so just keep that in mind. And like I said, we are here in sunny Miami, Florida. We have 2 locations. As of right now, we're going to be opening a 3rd one in Hialeah coming soon. I hear it's amazing. I hear it's beautiful. I haven't seen it yet. But here we are in Doral, where Dr. Porter is, Doral. And then there's a location that is called Miami, which is like 10-15 minutes away from the airport. Okay, so super convenient. If you're going to travel, that is not an issue. We have plenty of patients who travel from all over. If you are interested, please let me know and we can help you set that up. Of course, if you're here on this call or on this live, just tell them that I sent you, and then you will get that free consultation. Free consultation, $250 deposit. That is all you need, and that'll hold your spot for 2 years, which is amazing. Like, you literally have nothing to lose. We are here to help you. Like I was talking about, we have financing options available too. If you guys want to know anything specific, any specific, procedures, please let me know, because I don't want to talk too much about prices just because TikTok doesn't like it. But I will tell you guys, if you're interested in any of these 2 procedures, you will get 2 areas of this for free. 2 areas of this for free. What can you choose? Literally anything you can think of. Your chin or your papada, here, your arms, your armpits, your thighs, your upper, like whatever it is. Of course, make sure you let your doctor know, so they are aware and can guide you and give you the results that you need. Okay, all right, guys, so I will be popping off here soon. If you guys have any last minute questions, go ahead and send them here in the comment section. I am here to help and to guide you. I want everything to go as smooth as possible for you. We want you to have the best experience possible. If you are interested in checking out our IG, please go ahead and do that. Like I said, all of our doctors are there. All of their results are posted there. So make sure you check our IG. Okay, so if you guys need that, I will give you that. It is icon_cosmetic_ center _ Miami. That is our handle. If you guys need me to write it in the comment section, I will. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you guys have anything else that I should know about, please let me know. If not, then I will see you guys later today. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing Tuesday, and I hope you have an amazing week. All right, thank you, guys.